Hi hustlers, in this video we'll see how to create templates in Printify so you can do the uploading process quickly and save time. If you are new to our channel, Hustling Minds is all about print on demand and digital products. So if you are interested in making money with this method, hit that subscribe button. Participate in a weekly giveaway and download the free Etsy toolkit. The link is in the description. Let's get started. Normally, we would go to catalog or click add new product, then select a product, choose the print provider and upload the design and edit the details and publish it to our Etsy shop. When you have a template, you can just copy and edit only the design and publish it. This is how you can save time. Okay, let's see how I create templates for my shop. I use Monster Digital for t-shirts. They have a good rating and the price is comparatively low and they offer many colors. Then I'm adding a sample text which I'm going to remove later. Next I'm choosing the colors that I usually use. Then save this product. Now let's edit the listing details. I always have my title in this format so that I can change the sample and enter the design title later. And this is the default description for the product, so let it be as it is. I always add some design description above the product information in this format. I'll explain with an example in few minutes. Now let's set the price. Then choose the variant visibility. I always use this one because the out of stock variants will be shown as sold out. If you are automatically routing your order with another print supplier, you can go with the first option. Then choose a shipping profile and click Save as Draft. Now we have a template for t-shirts. Let's download a design for our shirt. I'm using Placeit and the link is in the description, you can check it out later. Whenever you need to add a new t-shirt listing to your Etsy shop, you can simply click copy and then edit the design. Now remove the sample text and add your design. And then save it. Now let's edit the listing details. This design is for teachers, so I'm replacing the sample text with the design details. So this is a teacher shirt. Alternative word for teacher can be educator, and this can be a gift for teachers. Then in the description, you can add adjectives like cute, funny or something. So this is a cute t-shirt for teachers saying I love teaching. And this will be a perfect gift for teachers, tutors and educators. So simply you can replace the sample text with the keywords like this. Then everything can be the same and we can publish it to the Etsy shop. Likewise, you can have templates for mugs, hoodies and other products that you sell often. And if you want to remove or add colors, make sure to update the price. Now I'm adding silver color and removing the red. As you can see, the silver color is set to default price. So you should update the price once again. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you, bye.